Yeah, no, it's worldwide.
Excel.
King Solos Beats.
Lion on the mountain, yeah. I'll be on my way now. Voices in my head, they say.
Listen, me speech forgets freedom, I guess so. I been tired for the erase the pencil, but me fans then go vex if I left so. So I take up on the mic and say let's go. Well, I don't turn doctor, myself for the blaster. Not to pass you get red before then call you Rasta. A bad pan this game, call me Diago Di Costa. Me message no get out, salon gets Boku Rapstar. Me records gets weights like a 50 carat diamonds. That's why I'm not paying attention to all those vagabonds. You can't stand my lyrics cause my presence is phenomenal. This is how I drop it on your head like the bubble bomb. Your fans call you hero, don't expect it from me, brother. I don't need to know the story before jumping on this matter cause I'm a rapper. I got the same trace like Black Panther. You fuck with my PS, I make sure your tire flatter. Forget about the diaspora, get to the rap in particular. It's not just a game, let you know me on the list in Africa. That is where it all started, then you get to massacre. Shout out to the legends, to the mommies and the grandpapas. You rapping like a baby, I guess you need a diaper. You acting like a virgin, I guess you need a lifer. Me na the first, you na the last. Me na the boss, you na the grass. Me na the tank, you na the gas. One of you, you know the pass. They said my rap is exposed and you are just a blender. The flow is in my vein, despite Ben Elbow and Ganja. See the niggas spitting weapons, see them dropping like a ranger. The red sign is blinking, so I guess you skip the danger. Monkey don't they claim tight to the shit is getting baffled. If you say me not picking, well papa for tying buckle. These days I know they patch stress and they battle with the devil. While I know they take mess, no session, no they cancel.
Lion on the mountain, yeah. I'll be on my way now. Voices in my head, they say. They say. They say. They say.
Now before me, them bare bone with dog self cry. Man ki one shake tail but don't self dry. You will get to know the help well you self not try. Now this beef me all meet up so man self right. If up done they make style why don't not for fire. Then stop we na one place like say we na flyer. Talent the way couple self no the wire. Attire for be bolt and not me self na plier. If you na mosquito well me na the pan spray me thinking like Oxford. Hallelujah shanty me punchlines they drop on the beats like a fountain. With the small one then now we bad like King Olo Kante. Countless time they keep telling me the same thing. Your flows are still single so they gotta start dating. Money on my mind every day I keep chasing. My future is colorful I gotta keep painting. Left the bragging and causing noise the action they speak. But many rappers travel once but they never give them recall. Niggas got the chance like Moses but then it's all fall. Now this they make me soul vex me punchlines they bleed more. I'm coming from the underdogs I'm heading for the octopus. Boku Bridge I know because I never saw Santa Claus. I wonder why I speak English sometimes the way the other does. Never heard something like the poor man is the boss. I they jump on the beat like Ninja. I they bolt they're not like pizza. So give me the weed and breeze like give Caesar what you to Caesar, huh? I just come, get you answer just Islam, huh? You forget the difference, money no day with the fight, I'm under the sun. Some man get the money, then get all the fame, but them brain a empty can. You just stay dance and the Allah, you know they ask themselves how they come. Salon get talent, do rappers, but they walk on the cover. So if they want fish, make all the fish, they smell well. You self know so you blunder.
Lion on the mountain, yeah. I'll be on my way now. Voices in my head, they say. They say. They say. They say.
Mallow on the mix.